Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to class 5th, subject science. And today we will be discussing the topic that is communicable disease. You all know what are communicable disease. Diseases that can spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases. Okay, so let us start with communicable diseases and let us see different kinds of communicable disease, their symptoms and preventive measures. First of all, let us discuss flu. Flu is a very common communicable disease caused by virus. Which microbes? Flu is caused by virus. What are the symptoms of this flu? So here are the symptoms of the flu. How can we identify we are suffering with the flu? So these are some symptoms: sore throat, runny nose, difficulty in swallowing, fever, okay, headache, cough and body ache. These are the major symptoms you will see when you are suffering with the disease called flu. Flu is a common disease which is communicable. Okay. Now what are the prevention or what is preventive measures we should have to take during this flu? First of all, you should take medicines by consulting your physician. Then plenty of rest is necessary. Plenty of fluids you should take during this flu. Cough drops and most importantly salty water gargling will give you relief for throat pain. So you should take all this prevention with the consult of your doctor. Now let's move on to the second communicable disease, that is measles. Okay, so measles is also caused by virus and the symptoms of the measles are runny nose, here also fever, cough, redness of the eyes, rashes and weight loss. Okay, weight loss is also one of the major symptom of the disease. What is the prevention? What cure you should take during the measles? Vaccinations at an early age, plenty of fluids and bed rest can decrease the symptoms to some extent. Majorly, you should have to consult your doctor at the earliest. Moving on, number 3, chickenpox. Chickenpox is disease caused by virus. Which microbes? Virus only. And what are the symptoms of the chickenpox? Let us discuss the symptoms of the chickenpox are fever, headache, sore throat, tiredness, you will feel very early, you will feel tired, rashes that slowly dry up and then form scars. Okay, chickenpox, you will form the scars. So you need to take care during this communicable disease. What is the prevention? What are the cure you should take, as this disease is very dangerous? You all know chickenpox is a very dangerous communicable disease. So what are the precautions you should take during this disease? Vaccination at an early age is one of the major prevention you should take. Medicines, then cool bath and bed rest. The rashes should not be scratched as they may spread to other places on the body as well. So you should not scratch the rashes. Number 4, cholera. Cholera is also very dangerous disease. It is caused by the microbe called bacteria. Okay, it is caused as other we have seen the above 3 diseases caused by the microbes called viruses only. But here cholera can caused by the disease called by the microbes called bacteria. Now what are the symptoms of the disease? What are the symptoms of the cholera? Here vomiting, dehydration, the water level will be less in your body, and diarrhea. These are the symptoms of the disease. Now what is the prevention? What cure you must have to take during the disease called cholera? Cholera is a waterborne disease. Cholera is a waterborne disease. So during cholera, you should drinks lots of fluids. You should drink lots of fluids, and you should take proper medicines with the consent of your physician, of your doctor. Okay. Number 5, malaria. Fifth number disease is malaria. Malaria is also very dangerous communicable disease. So malaria is caused by the microbes called protozoa. Okay, the disease malaria caused by the microbes called protozoa, which is a very dangerous disease, which is very dangerous communicable disease. Let's see the symptoms of the disease called malaria. Okay, what you will see? You will see the changes like fever, chills, sweats. You will have headache, vomiting, and body ache. Most importantly, you will feel body ache, you will feel tired during this disease called malaria. Now, what are the preventive measures and what cure you should take during this disease? So medicines to be taken on time, drips, then use mosquito nets or mosquito repellent cream, avoid storing water in open containers. Okay, if you will avoid all these things, you will be away from the disease. Okay, if water will be stored nearby areas, mosquitoes will be, and you will be fall ill. Then number 6 and last, typhoid, which is a very dangerous disease. Okay, so typhoid is caused by the microbes called bacteria. Okay, typhoid is caused by the microbes called bacteria. And what are the symptoms of the disease? Here, headache, body ache, fever, and diarrhea. These are the major symptoms you will find when you are suffering with the typhoid. Now, what is the prevention or cure you should take during typhoid? Take medicines and drips, boiled water, food without oil and spices, and complete bed rest is one of the major prevention of the disease. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope you all love this